All right, we have Jackson out here. We're doing rollovers. It's a trick. Teaching him anything helps build confidence in him knowing what to do, when to do it, how to respond. It builds confidence in dogs. We've been practicing all day. I want to get to a point where he's in a down and I just wave my hand over his head while he's in a down, and that will be the cue to roll over. Now it's a little bit of prompting involved in this beginning stages of it. We've been doing it relatively all day. Get out of there, boy. He's gotten much better since the very first one this morning. And what we're doing is we get him in a down. Usually when he's kind of leaning to his right, which would be our left, much easier for him to do it that way. When he's leaning the other way, he tends to kind of flip and flop like a fish, and I don't really want that. It's not clean. I want the clean ones. I want to reward the clean ones. I want to train for the clean ones. So here we go. Down. Down. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Down. Jackson, down. Good boy. Good. What is that? What is that? Nice. Come on. Jackson, down. Down. Good. So I reward the down. Jackson, come on. What is this stuff you're giving me? Come on. Come on. Down. Down. Good. Perfect. Good boy. Come on. Good. Nice. Down. Good boy. Good. Let's go. What is that? Down. I don't want that. Stop. Down. Down. Good boy. Good. Down. 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 Come on. Good boy. Good. Roll over. Good boy. I don't know what that is. Good job. Down. 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 Good. What is that? I don't know what that is. So I'd rather him do it from the other side, but whatever. Come on. Good boy. Down. Yeah. Shake it off. Shake it off. Down. Jackson, good boy, come on. Sit. Good. Down. Good boy. Good job. What is that stuff? Sit. Good. Down. Sit. Good. Down. So every now and then I'm going to reward just a simple down. At the same time, get him in the rollover. Come here, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Jackson, come on. Good boy. Sit. Good. Down. Good boy. Whatever. What is that stuff? What is that? What is that mess? It's a mess, boy. What is that stuff? Down. Come on. Jackson. Come on, Bubba. Good. Roll over. Good boy. See if I can get a double here. Down. Good boy. This one's the easier one. Good. Last one. You ready? Okay, so he's in this kind of zone. I usually ask for a sit first. Jackson. Good. Sit. Good boy. Down. Down. Last one, Bubba. Good boy. See how I can reposition myself here and try to ask him. Good boy. Alright, so it's some kind of mechanical issue sometimes when he's in that right side. He spins his body more. So I have to help him out by repositioning my body. And it's basically, at the end, I want to just be able to do this. Wave my hand across in either direction, a right hand or a left hand, and he spins in that direction at the very beginning stages of this. So this is what it is. It looks a little, but you see it gets a little bit better as it goes along. He's having a good time at it. His downs are really, really nice. And just getting him to roll over is really simple. It gets easier for him as it goes along. Alright, so practice this at the house. It really, really is really nice to have. And when he didn't and kind of checked out a little bit on me, I just stayed with it, you know, hung with it. And when he does, ask him to sit. You know, sometimes when dogs are in this type of training, something new, they just want something. Just give me something. Let me know I'm doing something right. And just giving them a sit, something they know what to do, and giving them a treat kind of gets them back into the game a little bit. So practice these things at the house. All right.